Welcome to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Crispy, golden and perfectly salted. Let's make restaurant style french fries at home in just a few simple steps. First of all, I have taken one large size russet potato and I am going to peel it. Now I am going to cut into baton shape. So you can see how I cut it. Now I have taken one bowl and I am going to add 1 liter of water and I am going to soak this potato so that excess starch will come out. Now I have taken 1 liter of water. One tablespoon of salt. Now I am going to blanch it for 3 minutes. Now I am going to strain it and cool down. I am going to put in the freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it is ready. Now I am going to deep fry at 300 Fahrenheit. So now I am going to cook only 50% and I am going to drain excess oil. Now I am going to put into freezer for 1 hour again. After 1 hour you can see. Now I am going to deep fry at 350 Fahrenheit. So now it is ready. It's perfect golden brown in color and I am going to strain it. Now I am going to transfer into bowl and I am going to season it with salt and some crushed black pepper. And I am going to toss it well. Now I am going to serve it on serving platter. And I am going to serve it with tartar sauce. Our crispy golden French fries are ready, perfectly crunchy on the outside and soft inside, just like restaurant style. Serve hot with tartar sauce or any dipping as you like and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipe. Thank you for watching.